Hey there, it's Jeroen from Salesforce. Today I'll walk you through how the Salesforce LinkedIn side panel works, how to install it, how it functions, and how to combine it with our email finder and email workflows for lead prospecting. To get started, go to Salesforce and then head to Settings, Applications and Integrations. You can find the side panel here. Alternatively, you go straight to the Chrome Web Store and install the Salesforce Chrome extension by clicking Add to Chrome. Once you've added it, open and then pin Salesforce Chrome side panel. It will appear on LinkedIn when you're viewing a person's profile or a company profile. Essentially, the side panel brings Salesforce right into LinkedIn, working much like our Gmail or Outlook sidebar. When you visit a person's profile, like Bill's here, it does one of two things. If the company doesn't already exist as an account in Salesforce, it will prompt you to create one for the company that person currently works at. If the account already exists, it will simply show you that account. If the person you're viewing is already a contact linked to that account, they'll show up as a contact. If not, they'll appear in the suggested contacts list. A check mark and a cross means the contact already exists in Salesforce and you can add them straight to the account just by accepting the suggestion or rejecting it. A plus sign means they aren't a contact yet. You can then just click it to create the contact and add them at the same time. When you click the plus sign, Salesforce opens the Create Contact form. Their first name, last name, account name, LinkedIn URL, position, maybe picture, it's all filled in automatically. And to find an email address too, which happened automatically here, you can just press Find next to the email field and Salesforce will then search for the email address on your behalf. To use the email finder, you'll need lead credits, which are included in every Salesforce plan. You have 5 lead credits per team on the trial, 5 per month on the growth plan, 100 on the pro plan, and 250 on enterprise. Each email found costs 1 lead credit, and you can check your usage and buy additional lead credit packages in Settings, Billing and Usage. If you actually want to find email addresses for a whole list of contacts at once, you can also do this through our import module. Just make sure your import file includes each contact's name and their company's website domain. If your list has more contacts than you have credits for, Salesforce will find as many as your credits allow and the rest won't be imported. Rest assured, Salesforce only charges for and adds emails that meet a relatively high threshold of certainty, so you get the most accurate results to keep your bounce rates as low as possible. Once you've added your contacts, you're ready to begin your outreach. The account timeline, here on the account, gives you a full overview of your communication history, and from there you can create follow-up tasks, add internal notes, create opportunities to start tracking them in your pipeline, and send email workflows to your imported lists. What you can even do is open a contact profile, then select an email workflow or sequence you want to add them to. Salesforce will then automatically reach out from your inbox on your behalf through that email workflow. And that's everything I have for you today on the Salesforce LinkedIn side panel and email finder. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us on the chat. Thanks for watching.